These 2026 robots have crossed the line between machine and life. In 2026, they walk, fly, build, and even feel. From robots that can walk long distances to machines that can feel emotions, here are 14 robots that are rewriting everything we know about robotics. 1. Stretch.
Than we ever imagined.
Stretch is our mobile case handling robot. We're focused on inbound container and trailer processing.
In warehouses where endless boxes are lifted, stacked, and moved, Stretch has become a quiet revolution. Designed for case handling, it navigates aisles, identifies packages, and moves them efficiently without supervision. Its robotic arm is guided by advanced vision systems, capable of recognizing labels and shapes in seconds. By 2026, Stretch has redefined warehouse automation, working alongside humans to make logistics faster and safer. Stretch doesn't replace workers, it collaborates with them, taking on the heavy lifting so that human effort can focus on creativity and coordination. We're doing a giveaway for a $200 Amazon gift card when we hit 1,000 subscribers. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and comment below so we know to add you into the raffle. Thanks and best of luck to everyone who enters. 2. Leo. Leo is something you have to see to believe. It is not bound by the ground like most robots. With a blend of multi-jointed legs and small propeller thrusters, Leo moves between walking and flying with extraordinary balance. The harmony between its legs and its airborne stability makes it one of the most versatile robots ever built. In 2026, Leo's abilities have gone beyond laboratory demonstrations. It now performs delicate aerial inspections, assists in research environments, and even participates in performance art shows. What makes Leo fascinating is not just that it flies or walks, but that it understands when to do either. It embodies grace and motion, combining the science of robotics with the elegance of controlled flight. 3. ANYmal. ANYmal is a robot that redefines versatility. It can walk, roll, and stand upright on its four-wheeled legs, giving it an extraordinary range of motion. It combines the strength of a machine with the agility of an animal, adapting instantly to the terrain beneath it. In 2026, ANYmal has become a trusted companion in industries that require remote monitoring and inspections. It can move between factory floors, climb stairs, and even recover its balance after slipping. Its sensors allow it to see and understand its environment with accuracy that feels almost instinctive. ANYmal doesn't rush or struggle, but simply moves gracefully, efficiently, and purposefully. It is the kind of robot that doesn't just perform tasks, it performs them beautifully. 4. Tiger X1.
Vision for the multi-legged robocar future, though maybe not at the scale you might be expecting. Now, some of you may remember Hyundai's last walking car concept.
There are robots built for comfort, and then there are those built for challenge. The Tiger X1 falls in the second category. Imagine a transformer-like machine that can change from a wheeled vehicle into a four-legged walker in seconds. Designed for extreme environments, it thrives where ordinary machines cannot go. Rocky terrains, disaster zones, and unstable surfaces. In 2026, its upgraded version showcases unmatched adaptability, capable of climbing obstacles, crossing rivers, and carrying payloads with precision. The brilliance of Tiger X1 lies in its ability to decide when to roll and when to walk. It doesn't just survive harsh environments, it masters them. The future of exploration, both on Earth and beyond, will likely depend on robots that can think and move like this one. 5. Moley robotic kitchen. Imagine coming home after a long day, dropping your bag on the couch and walking into the kitchen to the scent of freshly cooked food, but there's no one there. The chef is Moley, a fully automated kitchen that has turned cooking into a performance of precision and elegance. This robot doesn't just follow recipes, it recreates them exactly as a professional chef would, down to every stir, chop, and seasoning. Its robotic arms glide over the counter, selecting ingredients, flipping pans, and plating meals with artistry that feels almost poetic. Moley brings the dream of effortless cooking to life, letting you reclaim time that would have been spent preparing meals. 6. Optimus. Among the many robots unveiled in recent years, Optimus stands out as a bold vision of what humanoid robotics can become. Built to assist with daily human tasks, it walks, bends, and carries loads with human-like coordination. By 2026, Optimus has evolved into more than just a prototype. It's now functioning in controlled environments, from factories to research labs. Its sleek frame and efficient movement reflect a future where humans and machines work side by side with ease. However, Optimus' special is its design philosophy, which is to create a machine that doesn't just mimic human ability, but complements it. It represents a quiet promise that the age of practical humanoid robots has truly begun. 7. Max. Max is not your ordinary robotic dog. It's a fusion of footed mobility and wheeled motion, switching between the two depending on the terrain it faces. On flat ground, its wheels glide smoothly, conserving energy and maintaining speed. On rough surfaces, it plants its legs firmly, climbing and adjusting with steady resilience. In 2026, Max has become a key companion in exploration, search missions, and industrial inspections. It can maneuver through places that humans cannot easily reach, maintaining stability and awareness through an array of sensors. Max's endearing movement suggests that it is familiar in the way it reacts to its environment, and it reminds us that intelligence is not only in thought but also in motion, and adaptability might be the purest form of innovation. 8. Atlas. When you watch Atlas move, it feels like watching evolution in mechanical form. Built for agility, balance, and strength, Atlas performs movements once thought impossible for robots, including running, jumping, flipping, and navigating complex obstacles with ease. This year, its latest iteration has taken coordination to another level, combining fluidity and control with near-human reflexes. Every leap and twist is calculated with precision, every landing smooth and deliberate. Atlas has become a benchmark in robotics research, symbolizing what happens when engineering reaches the limits of human motion. 9. Unitree Z1. The Unitree Z1 is a marvel of precision and creativity. Imagine a single robotic arm that can do almost anything. It can draw, laser engrave, 3D print, pick and place delicate items, and even recognize shapes and colors using its AI vision system. Its flexibility makes it a favorite in studios and workshops, where art and engineering meet. In 2026, the Z1 has become a symbol of modular design, the kind that merges mechanical control with a sense of artistry. It is quiet but relentless, simple yet complex, and capable of tasks that once required multiple machines. 10. Bird. Among the most fascinating machines of 2026 is Bird, a robotic marvel inspired by nature. Designed to land and perch like a real bird, it brings a new dimension to aerial robotics. Its wings beat with precision, and its claws can grasp branches, wires, or poles with natural stability. Bird is not about heavy-duty tasks. It's about observation, exploration, and blending into environments where traditional drones cannot operate quietly. In research and wildlife monitoring, it has opened up new possibilities, letting scientists observe without disturbing natural habitats. There's something almost poetic about watching it glide through the air, finding a perch and folding its wings just like a living creature. Bird bridges the gap between machine and nature, not by imitating life, but by honoring it. 11. Hadrian X. Building a house is one of humanity's oldest crafts, and Hadrian X has transformed it into a symphony of automation. This massive robot can lay bricks with perfect alignment, constructing an entire home in just a few days without human assistance. It doesn't tire, it doesn't pause, and it doesn't make mistakes. This robot has become a cornerstone of construction innovation, reducing costs and increasing precision in housing projects worldwide. It reads blueprints, calculates brick placement, and adjusts in real time to environmental conditions. What makes it extraordinary is not just its speed, but its ability to turn something as rough as construction into a process of meticulous artistry. Watching it build is watching order emerge from chaos, one brick at a time. 12. Digit. There is something almost human about the way Digit walks. Built with 2 legs, a sleek body, and a pair of agile arms, this humanoid robot is designed to move through human environments as if it belongs there. It can carry packages, navigate stairs, open doors, and even sense the world with a calm, almost careful awareness. Digit has become a familiar presence in logistics and warehouse operations, assisting workers in reducing physical strain. But beyond utility, there's something remarkable about how naturally it coexists with people. It doesn't need a perfect path or a structured routine. It adapts, reacts, and flows with human rhythm. Watching Digit move is like watching the future learn to walk beside us. 13. Sophia. Sophia has always been one of the most recognized faces in robotics. With human-like features and expressions, she represents the evolving relationship between people and machines. Sophia continues to amaze audiences across the world. She has learned to engage in conversations that feel fluid, responding with tone and mannerisms that reflect genuine understanding. What makes Sophia remarkable is not just her speech or facial movement, but the way she embodies curiosity, humor, and warmth. When people interact with Sophia, they often forget they are speaking to a robot, and maybe that's the real breakthrough, not in her mechanical precision, but in her ability to remind us that emotion can be simulated so convincingly that it feels real. 14. Ameca. There are machines, and then there is Ameca, a creation so astonishing that it blurs the line between human expression and robotic engineering. When you first see her, it is not the metal or the mechanics that hold your attention, it is the way she moves her face, the subtle rise of an eyebrow, the gentle curve of a smile, the lifelike glance that almost feels like she is truly aware of you. Ameca was designed to be the most human-like robot in existence, and in 2026, she continues to set that standard. Every movement is controlled with precision, every gesture feels intentional. Her ability to understand the rhythm of human conversation, the emotion behind facial cues, and the nuance of social interaction makes her one of the most captivating examples of robotics today. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching till the end. Which of these robots fascinated you the most? We want to hear from you, so please leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you don't miss what comes next. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.